The concert flute has almost 30 buttons and keys on it, but we only have 10 fingers. Are you new to flute and wondering what the finger positions for flute are? I'll quickly show you in only 2 easy steps. But first, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because I have new videos coming out regularly for you that will help get you going on the flute. Well, hi, I'm Rebecca, the expert and instructor of the Learn Flute online programs, and one thing I know is that getting started on the flute is a bit daunting with all those keys and buttons. If you get your fingers even on one wrong one, things just don't work right. So let's get started with where our 10 little helpers should be. First, you'll want to note that I already have my flute put together. You'll want to learn how to do that properly so that you don't stretch or dent your instrument. Now let's get going with the finger positions for the flute. It'll be easy. Note that the top of the flute, or the head joint, where we blow, is on the left when we're looking at it. Head, body, foot. The body is segmented into 2 sections, the left hand and the right hand. Now these are separated by this little key that pokes out. We're going to place our left hand thumb back here on the more rectangle key first, and then wrap our hand around so that the first finger will lay on not the first, but the second key of the flute. The next 2 are easy. Skip a key and lay your middle left hand finger here. So we've skipped, then we use the first finger, skip one, and the second finger. And now there's no need to skip, just lay your third finger, that's your ring finger, right here on the key next to it. This little poking out key is handy for your little pinky to reach. Note that this left hand is turned around so your palm is facing your body. Step 2. Your right hand position is easily found by first finding the key on the foot joint that is closest to the body. That's where your right hand pinky goes. The rest of the fingers get to lay naturally now on these last 3 keys of the body. No need to think about skipping anything. Easy. Note that your right hand thumb sits underneath your first finger on the barrel. There aren't any keys or buttons for it to press, but it's important for balance, which I'll teach you more about in the lessons at Learn Flute Online. Balance equals good sound and ease of playing. Now remember when I mentioned that our left hand is turned so our palm is facing our body? Well, now you can notice that our right hand is palm out, facing away from us. Make 2 C's facing each other with your hands, and then turn your left hand in and your right hand out away from you. Get used to this position now before picking up the flute so that you won't have any troubles. We're going to hold the flute to the right side of our body like this. Watch as I turn for your view. Finger positions for the flute are easy after you get the hang of it. Of course, you have to try it a lot, and it's fun. What's your experience playing the flute so far? Are you new? Have you been playing for a little while? Let me know in the comment section. I'd love to find out who's watching this video right now. One bonus tip for you today is to note that we have a finger on each hand that will actually learn to switch keys. Now someday your left hand thumb will learn that this rounder button right here will learn what it's for. No need to worry about it today though. And your right hand pinky will learn to skate around down here on the foot joint. So if you're just getting started playing the flute, I invite you to use my free set of resources to help you make progress quickly and to help you not feel lost on the flute. I have a set of 5 full modules containing step-by-step video lessons called the Silver Level. And in there are some beginner lessons to easily get you started making a good sound, and flute-specific exercises and music reading skills that everyone can benefit from, so you can have the proper foundation to play absolutely any type of music you want, no matter what stage you're in right now. There's no charge, and I'll put a link down below here so that you can go and get started today. It's already helped tens of thousands of flute players around the globe, like you, learn how to play the flute in the comfort of your own home, at your own pace, and on your own schedule. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this video showing you the finger positions for the flute. Easy. I'm really looking forward to seeing your comments, letting me know what stage of flute playing you're in. And so you can continue, I've put that link to the free Silver Level. Like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon to let YouTube know that you care so I can help you continue on your flute improvement journey. Enjoy! See you again soon.